Hello everyone, I'm Neema and I welcome you all to my small kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very basic chocolate cupcakes. This recipe has a perfect balance of flour, cocoa and fat which brings out the chocolate flavor. These are very moist and spongy in texture, perfect for any occasions. So let's get started. For this, first let's line the muffin or cupcake tray with paper liners. And keep this aside. To a bowl, let's sift together all the dry ingredients. So here I've taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then goes in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now to another bowl, add in 150 grams of butter, and 10 tablespoons and 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Combine it. Into this, let's add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it until pale and fluffy. Further, slowly add in the eggs. So here I am going to add in 3 eggs. Further, add the flour in 3 batches into the batter and then gently fold in. Don't overmix, just until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Our cupcake batter is all set. Now I'm going to pour it into the liners and fill it around 3/4 of a portion. And top it up with some few cashews or peanuts. The tray is all set and I'm going to bake it first at 160 degrees centigrade for 17 minutes and then increase the temperature at 180 degrees centigrade and bake it for another 3 more minutes. See, our cupcakes are perfectly baked. So soft and spongy it is. Totally amazing. So make sure you visit my next video for another recipe. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.